The Kenyan High Court has declared the arrest by Nigerian government from Kenya. The arrest of Nnamdi Kanu by Nigerian government from Kenya is illegal. Finally, after 4 years, what took them this long? The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has welcomed the recent judgment of the High Court of Kenya, which found the arrest and transfer of its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, from Kenya to Nigeria in June 2021 to be unlawful and unconstitutional. Justice E.C. Mwita, who delivered the ruling on Thursday, held that the Kenyan government violated both its own constitution and Kanu's fundamental rights. The court awarded Kanu 10 million Kenyan currency in damages and criticized both the Kenyan and Nigerian authorities for what it described as illegal conduct. So 10 million Kenyan currency is equivalent to 120 million naira in Nigerian currency. Kanu entered Kenya legally and was entitled to constitutional protections, Justice Mwita said. Instead, he was abducted, subjected to torture, held incommunicado, and eventually transferred to Nigeria outside the framework of any legal extradition process. The court ruled that the actions taken against Kanu breached Kenyan law and international legal norms, including his detention without access to food, water, or medical care. In response, IPOB issued a statement on Friday signed by its spokesperson, Powerful, calling the ruling a judicial confirmation of what it has maintained since 2021. The group argued that Kanu was not extradited but unlawfully seized and handed over through what is termed extraordinary extradition. He was abducted at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, tortured and flown to Abuja without any legal hearing or court order, the statement read. IPOB also criticized the roles played by both the Nigerian and Kenyan government, characterizing the operation as a coordinated act of state-sponsored international terrorism. The group said it would intensify effort to seek international accountability for the incident. The statement praised the legal team in Kenya, particularly lead counsel Professor P.L.O. Lamumba, and commended Justice Mwita for what it described as a clear and courageous verdict. Finally, the truth is out. The ruling leaves a lasting legal and moral mark on the records of former President Uhuru Kenyatta and Muhammadu Buhari, IPOB stated. I told you guys that these people have nothing on Nnamdi Kanu. For 4 years, they have kept Nnamdi Kanu in DSS detention just to make sure that this guy stops exposing their little secret. You know, Nnamdi Kanu is somebody who has been exposing the federal government, the lies, even this Fulani invasion that is happening currently in Benue State and several states in Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu spoke about it a decade ago and the Nigerian turned a deaf ears. I told you guys, if we can trace the day Nnamdi Kanu was brought back to Nigeria, Nigerians celebrated, apart from the Igbos, Nigerians celebrated the capture of Nnamdi Kanu as if he was a terrorist. But yet, Fulani are invading their territories on daily basis and nothing is being done. We are coming to that. Justice will be passed. It doesn't matter how long they keep this man in prison. He will be released and he will be brought back to Kenya and flown back to the UK. That is where justice will prevail. You cannot just bring somebody like that, break international laws, and bring somebody like that and begin to try him. Nigeria has nothing on him. So whatever they are doing in the court, they are just trying to joke or play or just make jest of themselves. Well, this is all I have for those who are rooting for Nnamdi Kanu. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like and follow our page, share our videos as well. Thanks for watching.